Okay guys, here's another short. I don't know, I hope you guys will start to watch longer videos. Maybe if I make them more interesting, you will, huh? But anyhow, as I said, Sal's fed and watered everybody at daylight. They had a delay on school today from fog, 2-hour delay. I want to see what's going on. Did the rabbits get out here and really munch on the corn last night? Sam was barking. He was dying to come out here with me. Anyhow, see, there's still half an ear there that's not been ate. There's half an ear there. They're just eating a little every night, but I got them, maybe because I got them scattered everywhere, you know. And of course, I imagine that snow melted off. They're back on grasses. Look at there. Well, there's still a couple good ears there. Now, I heard a hawk down here the other day. It's not a good sign. I don't want them around here getting my rabbits. Working too hard to get rabbits again. Anyhow, so yeah, this is it's a cold, damp morning out here, guys. It's really damp. And I left my shoes out on the edge of the deck last night. I didn't know it was going to rain. Can you believe? My leather shoes are going to take days to dry out. If they don't fall apart. I've been gluing the soles back together on them for a year or so. And actually it's held really good. But, you know, I got that pair of work shoes for $7 at the end of the year, the other year at Walmart. And they're not comfortable. They're not at all comfortable. But they look good. And they're the short work shoes, you know. The old leather work shoes. And I can't find another pair. I would buy another pair if they were that reasonable. I got lucky that year. I got my tennis shoes for $7 and those work shoes for $7. And that's pretty not normal. So anyhow, this is still some of our mess. I gotta finish. I got more trees I gotta cut there and all the way down. Finish getting that cleaned out, and I think I need to get a hold of the Sayer boy at the town close down the road, about 7 miles down the road. See if he wants any tree tops, because he's a worker, or he was. When I sold walnut trees, he came in and cut all the tops up and took them, and he's around probably 65 now. So, you know, he was a worker. So, all right, guys. We'll come back a little bit later when the sun gets up more. We've got this this D17 sitting here. You know what? And the morning light isn't even on the Persian orange yet, but you know, they're still bright. So we hope you guys come back. This is not going to be on shorts. And I'll post a short to tell you there's videos.